stop bouncing between time tracking and project management, because in the next minute, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate Clockify with ClickUp. First, make sure you have administrative privileges in both your Clockify and ClickUp accounts. This ensures you have the necessary permissions to authorize the integration. Now, head over to your Clockify account and navigate to the Integrations page. This can usually be found in the Settings or Profile section, depending on your Clockify dashboard. Locate the ClickUp integration option. It should be clearly labeled, and then click the Connect button. This will initiate the authorization process. Next, ClickUp will ask you to authorize Clockify to access your ClickUp account. Simply select the relevant ClickUp workspace you want to connect and grant the necessary permissions. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to Clockify, where you should see that ClickUp is now successfully connected. You can also adjust advanced settings like importing ClickUp tasks into Clockify. Now, when you open a task in ClickUp, you will see a Clockify Timer button. Click it to start tracking time directly against that task. The time entries will automatically sync between both platforms. Finally, use Clockify's powerful reporting features to gain insights into how much time is being spent on different ClickUp tasks and projects, helping you optimize your workflow and improve efficiency. It's that simple.